Okay guys, so we're here at the park and Lisa has no idea what I'm gonna ask of her. I'm gonna show you my sister right now.
Oh
so
my God.
she does not really wear makeup and she definitely never wears lashes. So we're gonna put this to the test and see if she can do it. If she can do it, anybody can do it. Come over here.
If I can do it, I don't do this video thing like you do. Oh, you prepared for this, didn't you?
I did prepare for this.
I'm not putting makeup on.
There's Lisa.
I don't want any makeup on.
She normally wears glasses all the time.
I don't need fake eyelashes. I have real long eyelashes.
Yeah, but we're still gonna see if she can put these on.
No, I don't know how to do that.
Okay, exactly. So this is why I bought this. So if you can do it, anybody can do it.
You're gonna mess up my face.
No, this is like foolproof. This is like eyelashes for dummies. Okay.
If I have to put glue, I don't.
Okay, so you're gonna stay here. I'm gonna actually, you know what? I'm gonna go over there and
No.
I'm gonna zoom into her eye and we're gonna test this together. I'll give her directions step by step. Lashes 101 for beginners. Okay, now open it up and show everybody. Show everybody. Show it. Pull it up. Wait, you're opening it. Now let me zoom in. Okay.
Storm vertically capsized red arm.
All right. Pull it out.
Don't talk to me like that.
Just listen to your older sister. I know what I'm doing. I'm educating you.
Why? I don't wear makeup. Glue liner.
It's a glue liner, but look at the liner. Open it up. It's clear. And it's a felt tip. It's foolproof. Oh, I brought a mirror.
You're talking about me that's never put on this kind of makeup.
Okay, so look here and tell, I'm gonna zoom in because it's really loud. Tell people, have you ever worn lashes before?
Oh my goodness, never.
Do you know anything about lashes?
No, of course not.
Do you think they look beautiful on people?
Sure. Depends.
But why haven't you worn them?
Because I have natural big eyelashes by myself.
True. But if you wanted the extra flare, you might try them if you knew how?
Sure.
Okay. So, all you're going to do, here's a mirror. I just grabbed a mirror from Mom's house.
You didn't prepare me for the Zoomy. You didn't tell me she was going to do this.
Okay, so you're just going to put, like you put eyeliner on the top of your eye.
Which I don't do and I don't know how.
Just run a line like you're doing eyeliner. Wait, look. Yeah, pick up the mirror. Here.
I need to pull my eyelash.
Okay,
That's how.
Zoomy, hold the mirror for her. Okay, here we go.
I don't need to put eyelashes on though. I already have.
I know. Just like you did on the top of your eye.
I already have eyelashes. Look at my eyelashes alone. You're gonna make me glue my real eyelashes off.
You don't have to pull your eye, just like you're just running a line.
I don't know how to do that. I always pull.
Okay, pull then.
I don't know what the hell is going on here.
It's clear, so it won't show.
Oh yeah, I see white.
Yeah, but it will dry down.
What is that?
That's all the eyeliner you would put on?
Yeah, I don't know how to. I don't put on makeup. I wear mascara and that's it.
Okay, so let's try a thicker line because that's like you barely touched. Zoomy, hold that for her.
She's killing me, Smalls. Trying to watch the kids too.
Watch the kids, Zoomy.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Okay, now pull the lashes out of the thing.
Okay.
Is that for the correct eye?
I don't know. How am I supposed to know?
Well, you got one that's short in the corner to long, so you got the wrong eye.
Oh, see, I didn't know that.
Gonna pop it down on top of that lash.
And how is that, ma'am? Pull my eye?
No, just like look just like that.
Oh, Lord.
And then push it onto the eye. Well, for the very first time ever, that looks pretty darn good.
Oh my goodness, not really.
Do you see how easy that is? You're not using wet glue or anything.
It's stuck to my real eyelashes. Look. Oh my goodness, yeah.
Dry. Stay still. So all you're gonna do is literally just draw a line. You can see the white line.
That's
right?
a lot of glue.
The glue will dry. See how it's already drying?
Oh yes.
And it's becoming clear. You can see that. And here is the lash. Okay. So all you're gonna do is you're going to, don't move. They're right there in camera. Don't move. You're just gonna take the end of it and you're gonna push it down on top of your lash like this, and then push it all the way through. It's hard to do it when it's windy out here.
You're pulling my real ones.
Then you can just push it down like this. Open and look at me. Look at me. Don't move. Okay, so close. So because it's so windy, I didn't get it down in the corner. Look at me. And there we go. Voila. That is so easy. Now,
Do you wear lashes?
okay, so that's my sister right there. She's complaining because she
My
got
eyelashes stuck to my eyelid. My real ones.
because she got glue on her lashes. This is my sister-in-law Daisy, and we're gonna zoom into Daisy now.
Daisy's a pro. She can do this. Me.
No wait, Daisy. Have you ever worn lashes before?
Yes.
Oh, you have?
Yeah.
Are you good at lashes?
Look at the zooming.
Getting better.
You're getting better. Do you have difficulties with glue?
Sometimes.
Okay, so where okay, you got it? So where's the
It's a baby.
here we go. So all you're gonna do is put it on like it's eyeliner. That's all you gotta do.
No warning whatsoever. She's gonna post this too. Do not tag me in this.
Maybe a little bit thicker eyeliner because this one's clear.
Oh, now I can see it.
That's it. So you can see it's white on her eye, and then give it a few seconds and it's gonna start drying down clear.
Yeah, but you already have long eyelashes. You shouldn't. Close your eyes on. Just make it go up.
Now she's just grabbing the lash.
I don't want to tear them.
Just grab it from the end.
Make sure it's the right side because I got in trouble for that.
Yeah, you put it like this, you see what's like.
Oh, see, I It's windy. It's not
Yeah.
easy.
It's very windy and we're at the park. And there you go. Before. Where's my finger? Where's my finger in the camera? Before and after. Now, I'm going to zoom out. Was it hard?
No, it was actually pretty easy.
Is that the easiest way that you've ever put on lashes, honestly? Okay, so Zumi wears lashes all the time. Now, she is brave enough to try these. This is what comes with the black liner. These humongous ones. But here, you don't have to hold this yet. Just have to put the liner on first.
She's preparing.
Okay, so we're gonna zoom into Zumi's eye.
I pushed down by accident like this and my eyelashes stuck to my lid.
Wait, is this glue?
I think so.
Give it a second. Just give it a second to dry. All right, go ahead. Let's see.
I think I messed up.
No, they look good.
Maybe just push the corner in a little more for the inside corner. I don't think there's
Wasn't that easy? These lashes need to be cut because they're very big for your eye shape.
It's a little bit bigger. It's a little bit bigger.
Yeah, see, it's too big.
It's too big. I just need to cut it and it's perfect. Can I take it off now?
Yeah, take it off and then just put a little bit more.
Oh,
Put a little bit more.
more?
Just put a little bit eyeliner on. You know you're gonna have to put them on now because you're only gonna have one black line on one eye.
I know.
You didn't think about that, did you?
I don't know where the last.
Okay, just make sure that you take it all the way into the corner.
But they're too big.
They are big. We'll cut them later, but just so you can show people. That's down.
Yeah.
Look at me.
Oh my god.
That's down. I mean, it is very big and
down?
it does need to be cut, but it's
too
down.
big.
Corner, but it's too big.
Yeah, that's down. That's stuck. Or move the lash around. You see? It's stuck to her eye. Wow. Yeah, take it off. Now, Daisy was saying, what are you saying, Daisy?
It stays really sticky, so maybe put like some powder or something after, so you don't feel the stickiness when you open your eyes and your eye.
I agree. So if you put the lash down, then you can put some powder on top of it, so you don't have any glue residue.
Yeah.